Welcome students, 10th standard, Maths part 2nd, lesson number 2, Pythagoras theorem. And the first point is Pythagoras theorem. This is a triangle PQR. In this triangle, angle Q is 90 degree. So, side PR is hypotenuse and sides PQ and QR are perpendicular to each other. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now side opposite to the vertex Q is denoted by a small q. Side opposite to vertex capital R is denoted by small r, and side opposite to vertex P is denoted by small p. Then we have PR square means Q square is equal to PQ square is R square plus QR square is P square. Thus QR square is equal to R square plus P square. Thus in any right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem you have studied in 9th standard also. Now let's see what is meant by Pythagorean triplet. Now consider three numbers, that is 11, 60 and 61 are three numbers. We know that square of 11 is equal to 121, square of 60 is equal to 3600, and square of 61 is equal to 3721. From this it is clear that the square of larger number, that is 61 square, is equal to sum of squares of other two numbers, that is 61 square is equal to 11 square plus 60 square. So 11, 60 and 61 is called as a Pythagorean triplet. Now consider one another example, for example 3, 4 and 5. Here we have 5 square is equal to 25, 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. Here also 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 3, 4, 5 is called as a Pythagorean triplet. So what is meant by Pythagorean triplet? In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of larger number is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two numbers, then it is called as a Pythagorean triplet. Now the next point is property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. This is a triangle PQR in which angle Q is 90 degree, angle P is 30 degree and angle R is 60 degree. Then side opposite to the 30 degree angle, that is the QR, is equal to half into hypotenuse PR, and side opposite to 60 degree, that is PQ is equal to √3/2 into PR. This property is called 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle property. If acute angles of right angle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 times hypotenuse. Now property of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. This is a triangle PQR in which angle Q is a 90 degree, angle P and angle R are 45 degree. So this triangle is 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. Then the perpendicular side PQ and QR is equal to the 1 upon root 2 times hypotenuse, that is 1 upon root 2 into PR. Now next point is similarity of right angled triangle. Triangle ABC is right angled triangle and altitude BD is drawn on hypotenuse AC here. So there are three triangles are formed: triangle ABC, triangle BDC, triangle ADB. These three triangles are similar to each other. Means triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC, and these two triangles are similar to the original triangle ABC. Here we have to prove this theorem. So statement of theorem is, in right angled triangle, if altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, BD is altitude and drawn to the hypotenuse AC, then two triangles are formed. Which two triangles are formed? Triangle ADB and triangle BDC. Two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle. They are similar to original triangle ABC and also each other. Now we have to prove that triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Then we have to prove that triangle BDC similar triangle ABC, and hence triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Now prove. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, in triangle ADB this angle is 90 degree, and in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree, and angle A is a common. Therefore these two triangles are similar to each other by a test of similarity. So we write angle DAB is equal to angle BAC. This is common angle. Angle ADB is equal to angle ABC, each 90 degree. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle ABC, this is a test of similarity. Let this is the equation number 1. Now consider these two triangles. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC. In triangle BDC this angle is 90 degree, and in triangle ABC this angle is 90 degree, and angle C is a common angle. Therefore these two triangles are also similar by a test of similarity. So we write angle BCD is equal to angle ACB. This is also common angle. Angle BDC is equal to angle ABC, each 90 degree. Therefore triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC, a test of similarity. This is equation number 2. In equation 1, triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. In equation 2, triangle BDC similar triangle ADB. Therefore we write triangle ADB similar triangle BDC from equations 1 and 2, and let this is equation number 3. So we can write triangle ADB similar triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. This is from equations 1, 2 and 3. This is also called transitivity. That is, if first triangle is similar to second triangle and second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first triangle is similar to third triangle. Triangle ADB similar triangle ABC and triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. Therefore, and also triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. Then triangle ADB similar triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. This is called similarity of right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, if altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then two triangles are formed, are similar to each other and to the original triangle. This is called similarity of right angled triangle. Theorem of geometric mean. This is right angled triangle, triangle PQR, and QS is perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. Then QS is geometric mean of PS and SR. That is, QS square is equal to PS into SR. So this is theorem of geometric mean. What is this theorem? In right angled triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now prove. Triangle QSR similar triangle PSQ. Reason is similarity of right triangles. Similarity of right triangles. Now QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. Reason is CS ST. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, QS upon PS is equal to SR upon QS. By cross multiplication, QS square is equal to PS into SR. Therefore, QS is geometric mean of segment ES and segment SR. So this is the theorem of geometric mean. Now the next theorem is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. This is right angled triangle ABC and segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Then we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And here is the construction. Draw BD perpendicular to side AC, A dash D dash C. Now let's see proof. In right angled triangle, ABC, segment BD perpendicular hypotenuse AC. Now there are three triangles formed: triangle ADB, triangle BDC and triangle ABC. These three triangles are similar to each other because of similarity of right angled triangles. So we write triangle ABC similar triangle, ADB similar triangle, BDC, and reason is similarity of right angled triangle. Right angled triangles. Now consider these two triangles. Triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. Now take corresponding sides ratio, that is AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon AB. Reason is CS ST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. We take a ratio AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Now by cross multiplication, AB into AB, AB square is equal to AD into AC, AD into AC. Let this is equation number 1. Now consider these two triangles. Triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. Take corresponding sides ratio AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. So take ratio of BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. By cross multiplication, BC square is equal to AC into DC, AC into DC. This is equation number 2. Now add equations 1 and 2. So we write adding equations 1 and 2. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into DC. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to, take AC common, so AC in bracket AD plus DC. Now let's see, AD plus DC is AC. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AC. Reason is A dash D dash C. A dash D dash C. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Thus, theorem of Pythagoras is proved. In a right angled triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Now, converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides, then the triangle is right angled triangle. Here one triangle ABC is given, and in that triangle AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is given, and we have to prove that then the triangle ABC is right angled triangle, that is angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Now consider one another triangle PQR, in which AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Then here prove, in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this triangle PQR is right angled triangle, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. Therefore, we write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This is according to Pythagoras theorem. Is equal to, but PQ is equal to AB. Therefore, this is AB square. QR is equal to BC square. This is, reason is construction. Now let's see, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, PR square is equal to AC square. This is a given. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square is a given. Therefore, PR is equal to AC. PR is equal to AC. Now, in these two triangles, AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, and BC is equal to QR. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, we write here triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR, and reason is SS test. Therefore, angle ABC congruent angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree is proved. So, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides, the triangle is right angled triangle. This is the converse of Pythagoras theorem.